Hello guys, this video is like for startup founders and co-founders and business developers, which can be useful for you guys. So if you have a startup in tech, in agri-tech, in fintech, in AI, in searching for development for AI, in edtech, and anything that related to technology, startups like having a lot of funding tools and funding opportunity and scouting services. All what you need to do to search about it, which is startup grants. For that, you will have free visa guide by Dean, you'll have some innovation today, you will have some programs based on your country, 11 labs, you will have some event business startup business grants, OpenAI for startups. You will have a lot of things that you can acquire to build and to get grants, especially like even though NVIDIA can have grants as well. NVIDIA grant startup, you will have Inception program for startups. Also you have AWS startup program, you have Azure startup program, you have as well the Google startup program as well. So you have a lot of programs that can support your startups, can get your things. All you need to do is clear vision, clear pitch deck, clear team, and clear processes. And you have a real issue that you are working with, and you have a solid solution you are dealing with, and you have steps ahead for it. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.